Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm here with my 4-year-old and she and I are going to be drawing some hamster kitties holding Valentines. Like little conversation hearts, huh?
They're...
And hamster kitties are from the show Gabby's Dollhouse.
Yeah.
You could draw a hamster kitty and then draw a Valentine in it and give it to somebody, huh? Alright, let's get drawing. Okay. I'm gonna start with the yellow one over here. And what you and what you do first is you draw some eyes. So you draw a little oval first and leave just a little highlight at the top.
This is going to be...
And then there's the other eye. So yeah, you just fill it in and just leave a little highlight. Then we're gonna do a little nose and it's kind of like a little triangle. Oh, that's a cute smile. So yeah, you just do a line down and then curve it out.
Too.
Okay, so that's how you do the mouth. You just do a line down and then curve out both ways. She's gonna add eyelashes, but I'm not because these hamsters don't actually have it on Gabby's Dollhouse. But she likes to add eyelashes to things. All right.
People in Hamster Kitty.
So this hamster kitty, the yellow one, has a circle around its eye. Who does it remind you of? Bubble Puppy, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so there's that. Hopefully my pen works. It's dying. Okay, so now we're gonna draw like a really wide rainbow right here.
Really wide rainbow right here.
And then we're gonna draw the hands by doing these sideways rainbows going in.
Go that way.
That's okay, that could be going that way. That's fine. But for the next one, try to have it going in. Okay, that one could just be given a hug. That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
A baby box.
All right, and then you do a curve down for the belly. And then you go across. Like that. All right. And now we're gonna curve it up.
Curve it up right here.
Yeah. And then we're gonna draw a little ear.
Your pen is not the best. Maybe you want a big one.
I'm okay. So you do a little triangle and then a curve. And then another little triangle. And then you curve it down and meet it up with the bottom.
Down your feet.
Yeah, so the feet you just do little rainbows out, upside down rainbows. All right, and then we're gonna draw 2 little lines in here. And 2 little lines right here. And then I'm gonna just add some down here. I don't know if it's supposed to or not, but it'll look good.
I did 2 big looking.
That's okay. Oh, and one other thing, we need to draw a triangle inside the ear.
Did.
You did already?
I beat you.
You beat me. Okay. So now we can draw, I'm gonna draw a heart inside of mine.
I don't want to because it's hugging.
Yeah, it's reaching out for a hug.
So baby backs.
So here's how we're gonna do the heart. Little
So
heart.
the next one.
And in this heart, I'm gonna write B. You don't have to. We'll write yours in later. Be mine. And I'm gonna do it all in capital letters.
It's looking go at the heart.
So the next hamster, we're gonna start right in the center.
The same height.
Yep, and we're gonna do eyes again to start out. Leave a little highlight at the top.
Eyelash, eyelash, eyelash. Eyelashy.
Yeah. And so it's basically the same way you drew the last one with the little nose in the middle. I can get my pen to work. There we go. And then a little line down with the curves off to the side. Okay. We're gonna draw that wide rainbow right here.
Oh, I need more ink. Yeah. White rainbow.
Okay, so now this time go inwards with the hand. There you go, you got it this time. All right, and then on the other side too. And that's her hands holding on to something.
A heart.
A heart, yeah. So you can draw the two little lines to show that
I
it's the
did
hands.
this. Doop. I did 2 hearts. This block.
All right, so now we come down.
Right here.
Mm-hmm. Yep, and then you do that line on the bottom like you're doing. Okay, and then we're gonna curve it up till we get to the ear. And then
That's
we're gonna
not
draw.
the same height.
That's okay.
It's bigger.
That's okay. Maybe it's a bigger hamster.
Yeah, it's a bigger hamster. Holding a heart.
Yeah.
Teeny tiny.
And then you do the top of the head. And then you do another ear.
It can be a bigger hamster kitty or a small hamster kitty.
Yeah.
Guys.
Oh, cute. Okay, now I'm going to do my feet. You already did them, but I'm going to throw mine in there real quick.
Why I got about lines?
And then, should we draw the heart inside of it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you make the top go behind the hand. And it curves up.
Mom, it's holding.
Oh, that's so good.
Okay.
And then on this one, I'm going to write forever. Because, like, you know, a cat, fur. So it's F, U, R, E. Well, yours is too big, your marker. So if you want, I could write yours in for you. Or if you at home need your parents to help you
There.
write it. That's cute. The B. So you've got a B, and then we can write mine. Be mine. Do you know what that is? That's a Valentine. Be mine.
But what about the... Is it saying that?
No. Oh, yeah. My first one does. My first one says be mine. Yep. My first one says be mine. Okay. All right. Now we need to draw the stripes. Okay. So this one's smaller. And then this one's a little bigger. And then this one. And they're kind of diagonal. And then on the same on this side. My pen. And this one kind of disappears. Okay, and then the head, you've got like this big spot right up there. Oh, you already did it. Good job. You're so cute. Okay, now we need to do the last one. She's a little different than these two. She doesn't have the belly thing, but that's okay because she's all white. And except for a pink spot. So we're gonna start with her eyes again. So we're gonna draw the ovals for the eyes. You're so cute.
Can you do the can you say can? Teeny tiny nose.
Yep, a teeny tiny little triangle nose. And then a line. And then the two curves out. What's that sound? Okay. So now, instead of doing
Mom, look, Christine.
instead of doing the belly, we're just gonna do the hands.
Oh, it go down.
That's okay. That's perfect. It's fine. Cute. And so she can still be holding the heart. So now you can draw the heart.
Wait, does her hand supposed to be down holding the heart?
It is kind of down how you drew it. It's perfect. So we're just drawing the last heart right here.
But I want to do that single, like the belly.
Well, she doesn't have a belly, so we're going to just do perfect. And I can write that in your heart if you will.
I'm going to mess it all up.
Well, just... Can you just try? Look, it's like purr, like a cat. Perfect. Does our cat purr?
Mm-hmm.
She sounds like a motor, huh?
Did it!
All right, draw your heart.
I didn't saw Mommy's stockings.
That's okay. It's your drawing. All right, do you want me to write perfect in there? Okay.
No, mine.
Well, yours is too thick. I need to write it with this.
Oh, your pen. Perfect. Perfect.
There you go.
Pretty.
All right, so the next thing we're gonna wanna do is a line underneath.
I never need.
And then it curves up
Curve up.
to the ear. That's okay. So you do the ear, and then the top of the head, and then the other ear. And then curve it down. And then you can draw the feet.
Done.
One thing left on her.
Oh.
She's got a big spot right here.
What about her have more spots?
Oh yeah, she has one more spot over here, huh? Shows right there. Okay, so those are her 2 spots. And
Wait.
you can color whatever colors you want, but we're gonna color this one pink and white,
What?
blue. Well, I'm gonna color pink and white, blue and gray, yellow and orange. And then the hearts I'm gonna do red. You can do it however you want to, and we're gonna do
color
it.
different.
We're gonna do it in time lapse.
I'm going
And
to
then-
color it different.
And then when we're done, you can pause it and then you can either use our drawings as a reference or you can color it however you want. Thank you so much for drawing with us. We hope you had fun drawing these Valentine's hamster kitties. And we hope you will subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a happy Valentine's Day. And I'd love to see how your Valentine's...
Wait, we didn't have a Valentine's
I know,
Day.
it's next week. But we're just getting it ready right now. But we hope you have a good one when it comes.
Do Valentine's Day now.
Oh, I know, it's so much fun to make heart-shaped cookies. We'd love to see how your Valentine turns out, so tag me at Sarah Hatch Art Studio on Instagram and then I can see it. We'll see you later.
Thank you, bye-bye. Thank you, bye-bye. Thank you, bye-bye. Thank you, bye-bye. Oh.